In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add motion blur in CapCut PC. If you want fast movement in your footage to feel more realistic, or you want to smooth out jarring motion and make things look a little more polished, motion blur is a really useful effect. The good news is that CapCut PC makes this very simple, and you can apply it in just a few moments. To get started, place your video clip onto an open track in the timeline. Once the clip is there, click directly on the video block one time so it becomes highlighted. This is important because it tells CapCut exactly which clip you want to work on. If the clip is not selected, the effect may not go where you expect it to, so it's always a good habit to confirm the clip is active before moving forward. Once your clip is selected, go up to the top left area of the interface and click Effects. From there, choose Video Effects so you're looking at the full effects library for your footage. In the search bar, type Motion Blur. CapCut should then show the Motion Blur effect card in the results. When you see it, click and drag that effect straight down onto your video clip in the timeline. Make sure you drop it onto the correct clip so the blur is applied exactly where you want it. After that, it's time to fine-tune the effect so it matches the movement in your video. Click on the effect layer in the timeline to select it, then look over to the top right Properties panel where you'll see the settings for that motion blur effect. Start by adjusting the blur slider. Increasing this will make the motion appear smoother and more pronounced, while a lower amount will keep the effect more subtle. Then tweak the speed or direction sliders to better match the type of movement happening in your footage. If your clip has strong motion in a specific direction, matching that correctly can make the effect look much more natural. As you make changes, press the spacebar to play back your clip and preview the result. This lets you see how the blur renders over the actual motion, which is the best way to judge whether it looks smooth or too heavy. If needed, make small adjustments until the effect feels balanced and clean. And that's it. You've successfully added motion blur in CapCut PC, and your footage should now have a smoother, more cinematic sense of motion.